How to invite friends to a party in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on play and make a lobby or make a party. Once that's done, you simply need to click on the icon right here beside your name or your profile icon. It'll bring you right here on your contacts, recent players, and requests. So let's say you want to invite your friend. So of course, they will be seen right here on the contacts list. So you will see an arrow or a flag plus a plus icon here. So you will just simply need to click on that and wait for them to accept your invitation. You could also add them first if you haven't added them yet by searching their name here at the top, or if they added you and they're waiting for your friend request, you simply need to go to the request right here and check if they have added you already. You could also go to recent players and add someone, and once they accept it, you could now invite them to your party or to your lobby. Or you could also click on this plus icon and it will also bring you automatically here on the contacts, and now you could invite your friend to your party. And that's basically it.